Saya Annabelle को screen sharing करना और one more thing बाकी के सब attendees exam में सबका माइक्रोफोन म्यूट कर देना so don't want any distraction.
Halo, halo, sar. Halo.
We are starting the session. Good evening, friends. I am sharing Shah from Ahmedabad, Asian ambassador, and the also Friday Hispanic on behalf of Indian Cancer Society, the branch. Today we are doing multiple reason of celebrations, and let me share with you one by one. Number one is, today we are celebrating the International Women's Day. That is number one. Number two, fortunately, I'm humbled and have the privilege to host and teaching all together and new milestone. That is 50th, 50th live webinar on behalf of Indian Cancer Society and Fridays Speech Clinic. And number three, we are having a very eminent and expert speaker, Dr. Archana Madam. She is from Ahmedabad, highly
We are losing your voice, sir. Mm.
she is eminent personality expert with the way Sneha, सब लोगों का सब लोग का माइक्रोफोन म्यूट करो.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Dr. Nabadamse is going to talk about HPV vaccine, and I want to give a huge welcome to Dr. K. Rajkiran, Principal and Department of Pharmacology, Sri Shivani College of Pharmacy, that is in the for the today's event. So, sir, Dr. K. Rajkiran, we warmly welcome you on board and thank you so very much for your valued support. Um, Dr. Madam, stage is all yours and please enlighten us specifically about HPV vaccine. And our government of India, they are having a very interesting slogan that is Beti Bachao. So today, while celebrating the Women's International Day, please share your wisdom, expertise, and everything so that people get motivated and they get right direction, which is rather not possible, to get it on any web browsers or from anywhere. So stage is all yours, and thank you so very much for your valued time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I just want to thank the Indian Cancer Society Delhi branch and especially Mr. Srenik Shah and my friend Shruti who has referred me to Mr. Srenik Shah and to give me this opportunity to speak on this platform on a very burning issue that is HPV vaccine. It is one of the wonderful thing that HPV vaccine we have today for control of cervical cancer, and not only cervical cancer but many more cancers of HPV. So it's a huge topic, and I will stick to my time and I will make things clear that why should we take this vaccine, what are the benefits, and who should take the vaccine, and what are the complications or what are the myths about vaccination. So I want to share my slide.
Yes, please, Sneha.
Yeah.
Please allow.
Yes, sir.
Can you see my slide? Is my slide
Not yet.
visible?
Not yet.
Is my slide visible?
No.
Yes, ma'am, your slide is visible.
Yes. I just also want to thank
Oh,
all the people who have joined, especially the CEO, the sir was saying, and so nice to have everyone on this platform. On the month of Women's Day, that is Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March, but I think so March has considered as a Women's Day, and every year women there is a specific theme, and this time the theme is to give to gain. Now what does this mean? Why do we have to give to gain? Probably we have to give for to gain something like right of justice action for all women and girls, focusing on collaborative action for excellent parity. So these are the theme for this time's Women's Day. And and continuing with this theme, I have attached that we have to give ourselves to gain. That is, we have to give knowledge and we have to spread knowledge about HPV vaccine so we can gain that our women don't die from cervical cancer in future. Myself, I am a gynec oncology and preventive oncology, more than 25 years of experience in the field. I am also the director entrepreneur of Antara Wellness Initiative, a private limited, a firm which is made by me. And the first initiator of doing a pilot project of HPV self-test in Gujarat, founder of the first HPV clinic in Gujarat, pioneer of doing HPV awareness, and I have been an associate professor, that is Gujarat Cancer Society Hospital Research Institute, Ahmedabad. It is a tertiary cancer center of West Zone of India. These are my areas of expertise. Being a preventive oncology and a gynae oncologist, I also do gynec cancer surgery, diagnostic, and genetic counseling, fertility preservation in young girls having cancers. During our days when I was in GCRI more than 20 years back, we used to do cervical cancer screening, pap smear camps, and we used to go to different areas of the city, different areas of Gujarat, and I that time realized so much neglected this areas and so many things have to be done for this. And from that time, I had more passion for this, and this passion today I see after 25 years taking some type of prevention, which is going to be a national wide program which a government is launching, the HPV vaccine. Now, importance of HPV vaccine to prevent cervical cancer. Why? Because prevention is power. And coming to cancer, there are 20 million new cases every year, and so bad that we can't prevent them. It just happens, and you have a cancer, and most of the time you are in a last stage. And we have one cancer which is not only early detected, but it is in prevention. Coming to India, if you see, we have 9 lakh new cases of cancer every year, and 70% is in advance. Why? because awareness, people don't come out with their problems, they sit at home and they wait, and ultimately when they can't bear, they come to us, and that is the reason. And you like see 6 lakh people die because of the cancer, because they are not getting treatment and they don't come up, and there is lack of awareness, and that figure is going to rise in next 2 3 years. Next, I think so, 4 years, 20 lakh cases and 12 lakh death because of cancer. The most common cancer, if you see in male, is oral cancer. And the oral cancer, we know in India, because of tobacco, we have not to be proud, and especially Gujarat is number one in world for oral cancer. And we need not be proud of it, but we have to do for prevention. And coming to female, there are two more cancers which are very common, which is one is cervical cancer and second is breast cancer, which is now becoming number one because of many other factors. But we will stick our topic to cervical cancer. Cancer is curable if you detect early. For early detection, what we need to do is prevent cervical cancer by doing HPV test, which is recent, or pap smear. For breast cancer, you do a self breast examination and mammography. And for head and neck cancer, there is an oral examination, routine body checkup after the age of 40, and don't ignore any symptoms, any long term symptoms for more than 6 months. Please take medical advice. Now, coming to my field, if you see gynec cancers, 80% are cervical cancer. Now, what is this cervix? People are very much confused. So, cervix is entrance of the uterus. This is the uterus. ये है बच्चादानी बोलते हैं हिंदी में, और ये जो उसका मुख है उसको सर्विक्स बोलते हैं, बच्चेदानी का मुख बोलते हैं, उसका एंट्रेंस का कैंसर है, दैट इज द सर्वाइकल कैंसर, इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन। और ये सर्विक्स का पार्ट है वो नीचे गायनेक एग्जामिनेशन में दिखता है, सो दैट इज सर्विक्स। कमिंग टू सर्वाइकल कैंसर, ये आप देखो तो इसकी ग्रीन कलर की रिबिन होती है। एवरी कैंसर हैज डिफरेंट रिबिन एंड अवर सर्वाइकल कैंसर हैज अ ग्रीन रिबिन, and you see this is cervix and this is cancer. Now from this normal cervix on the left side to become cancer on the right side, it takes 15 to 20 years, because that virus is there which is causing cancer, and slowly it happens. And that is the reason why we are having so many cancers in India, because it is asymptomatic. ये जो infection होता है उसका कोई symptoms नहीं होता है, slowly grow होता है, and that is the reason all is picked up late. So this is the area where the uterus is in the body in the female, और cervix नीचे का part है. Now, cervical cancer देखो तो major health problem, 80% of gynec cancers, and in developing country it is a leading cause between 40 to 60 years of the life. इसमें क्या होता है, एक लेडी है, वो एक 40 50 years में she is a main pillar in the family. उसके बच्चे हैं, उसके माँ बाप है, तो she is taking care of 2 generations. And is this generation में losing a women is a very big social impact to the society, to the country. 80% are diagnosed in advanced stage. वर्ल्ड में देखो तो 5 lakh केसेस है, इंडिया में 1,20,000 cases every year. And if you see the death, so 70,000 death is happening in India. So if you see my next slide, the burden of cervical cancer, still we are in the orange area. Rest of the world, Australia, it is in the verge of elimination of cervical cancer because of very good vaccination and very good uh, screening. We are in still orange. Africa, and we are somewhere similar. So the cervical cancer mortality, 9 minutes a woman dies of cervical cancer. मेरा ये खत्म होगा लेक्चर हमारे 1 घंटे में, तो एटलीस्ट by that 4 to 5 women will be dead, and एक दिन में 200 women का death होता है because of cervical cancer, and this is really shocking. 200 women dying, it is like a plane crash. अभी recently plane crash हुआ था गुजरात में, तो पूरा दिन चला, अभी भी लोग याद कर रहे हैं, और उनको एक इट गेट्स अ ट्रेमर कि ऐसा कंडीशन हुआ, कितने सारे लोग मर गए। तो इमेजिन सर्वाइकल कैंसर का प्लेन क्रैश रोज होता है, एवरी डे वी आर हैविंग वीमेन 200 डाइंग बिकॉज ऑफ सर्वाइकल कैंसर, एंड इट इज अ प्रिवेंटेबल कैंसर। तो ये कैंसर कैसे होता है, इट्स अ रेयर आउटकम ऑफ अ वेरी स्मॉल इन्फेक्शन, जिसको हम ह्यूमन पेपिलोमा वायरस कहते हैं, इन्फेक्शन से होता है। ये वायरस क्या है, तो ह्यूमन पेपिलोमा वायरस, देयर आर 150 टाइप्स, उसमें से 14 टाइप्स है विच कॉजेज 6 टाइप ऑफ कैंसर इन मेन एंड वुमन. कैंसर ऑफ सर्विक्स, वल्वा, वजाइना, पीनास, एनस एंड ओरोफेरिंग्स. So out of 150, 100 are genital virus HPV. तो जेनाइटल मतलब जो अपने प्राइवेट पार्ट पे रहता है, उसमें हाई रिस्क है, दे हैव नंबर्ड. तो हाई रिस्क 14 टाइप्स है, तो 16 and 18 आर द हाई रिस्क HPV virus which causes cancer. Other high risk are the big range you see here. And low risk are 6 and 11. Low risk मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कैंसर नहीं करता है, but it causes warts which is a dreadful condition. तो anyone can get any of this virus and which will cause cancer. And it can not only be 16, उनको combination कोई भी वायरस कोई भी हो सकता है. तो अभी देखो कि ऐसे कैसे वायरस होता है. दिस इज ऑल साइंस, बट आई एम स्टिल ओनली एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू कि बॉडी में वायरस बॉडी में जाता है और बॉडी में इट बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर सेल. वो अपना डीएनए का पार्ट हो जाता है. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, योर बॉडी डजंट गेट अवेयर. जैसे हमको एक सर्दी हुई तो हमको बुखार आता है, बिकॉज अवर बॉडी इज फाइटिंग, इम्यूनिटी इज ट्रिगर्ड. इसमें दिस वायरस इज वेरी क्लियर, एक बिन बिना मेहमान है, वो बॉडी में चला जाता है. देर इज नो वायरीमिया, नो इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पॉन्स. And this escape mechanism has enabled HPV to become highly transmitted infection worldwide. क्या होता है once it gets into your body? तो your body is active, 80% infection clears, but 20% persist, and that for a long time becomes cancer. So global HPV burden देखो तो it is affecting males and female both. It causes oral cancer, it causes private part cancer in male and female both. If you see 660 million cases of HPV are related, 95 are cervical cancer, commonest among women in India is after breast cancer, and 1 out of 13 cancer reported is HPV related. So HPV सिर्फ cervical cancer करता है ऐसा नहीं, it causes spectrum of disease, HPV related disease, जैसे cervical cancer, vulva, vaginal cancer जो private part है, anal cancer मेल में जो मेल हु आर होमोसेक्सुअल मेल्स उसको 100% एचपीवी से एनल कैंसर होता है, जेनाइटल वॉर्ड्स होते हैं, फिर एबनॉर्मल पैप्समियर रिपोर्टिंग, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ एचपीवी. सो द एचपीवी इज अ वेरी ड्रेडफुल कंडीशन. इट इज अ साइलेंट किलर and every 5 minutes one person dies because of the HPV related cancer. Now this HPV infection is very common. How common? It will infect every human being on this earth. It is like it affects around 90% on. Even if you are monogamous relationship you can have HPV infection. उसका जो एक myth है कि sexually transmit, no, it has non-sexual transmission also. So how does the HPV infect? It has one by skin to skin. You don't say sexual contact, but skin to skin contact. There is no need of a penetrative sex also for HPV to transmit. Skin to skin contact can transmit. It can transmit by fomites. It can transmit from mother to child if the child is being born vaginally. So this way the HPV transmits. So it is not only sexual, but there are non-sexual. If you are using a washroom, if you are using a bed sheet, if you are traveling, you can get HPV from anywhere. Most of the HPV infection clears. This infection mostly gets at the age of 15 to 20 years. Because of immunity is strong, it clears, but the later life it develops into cancer. We are targeting main 4 viruses now because they are dreadful. 16 and 18 which causes cancer, and 6 and 11 which is causing warts. Now the vaccine we have today target this both 4 viruses. This HPV infection is asymptomatic. माने उसका कोई symptoms नहीं है. हमको कोरोना हुआ तो वी हैड फीवर, वी हैड स्नीजिंग, ये सब होता है, लेकिन एचपीवी इन्फेक्शन का कोई सिम्टम्स नहीं है. सो वी डोंट नो हु इज हैविंग एचपीवी इन्फेक्शन. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवन टेक वैक्सीन फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ एचपीवी इन्फेक्शन. प्रिवेंशन इज ऑलवेज बेटर देन क्योर. प्रिवेंशन इज पावर. सर्वाइकल कैंसर का प्रिवेंशन में 3 पिलर्स है. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन इज एजुकेशन, delay the age of sexual contact, condom use, limit number of partners, but that is a social life. We cannot comment on that, but we can delay marriage up to the age of 18. That is the reason why government has age after 18 years of marriage. And the primary pillar is HPV vaccination. Secondary and tertiary pillar we are not going to discuss. Now coming to HPV vaccine, HPV infection has no treatment and only way to prevent is by vaccination. How HPV can be prevented? By getting vaccinated, by getting proper information, by adopting good what we can say hygiene protocol, hygiene yourself, good sexual health practices, and get yourself screened and treated for cervical cancer. Early vaccination is a key to help prevent certain type of HPV related cancer and disease. So how this HPV vaccine affects, व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन, मतलब ये वैक्सीन कैसे इफेक्ट करता है? तो ये वैक्सीन है, इट इज बीन गिवन इन द मसल, हाथ के मसल में देते हैं। तो क्या होता है कि ये वायरस जाता है और अपना जो थाइमस ग्लैंड है वहीं से अपनी इम्यूनिटी को ट्रिगर करता है एंड इट डेवलप्स एंटीबॉडीज। तो एंटीबॉडीज के वजह से देखो ये सेल है तो ये वायरस को अपने बॉडी से स्टिकी नहीं होने देता है। जो एंटीबॉडी लेवल है 100 times हायर देन द नेचुरल इन्फेक्शन। So what is happening? That virus is not getting attached to your body, and that is the main reason it prevents all HPV related disease. The objective of vaccine is to prevent infection and to prevent not only infection but cancer also and warts also. There are two type of vaccines. One is prophylactic, जो अभी मिल रहा है prophylactic vaccine है, जो जो वायरस के पार्ट को कंट्रोल करता है। दूसरा है थेरेपेटिक वैक्सीन, अभी तक वो आया नहीं है, दैट इज इन पाइपलाइन। सो द गोल ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन इज नॉट ओनली सर्वाइकल कैंसर, जो लोग मानते हैं कि सर्वाइकल कैंसर नहीं, लेकिन लेडीज के जितने भी प्राइवेट पार्ट के कैंसर एचपीवी रिलेटेड है वो भी प्रिवेंट होता है। मेल्स में पीनाइल और एनल कैंसर भी प्रिवेंट होता है। इट प्रिवेंट्स वॉट्स एंड लेरेंजल पैपिलोमेटोसिस इन चिल्ड्रन। तो ये कैसे प्रिवेंट करता है? तो मदर जिसका एचपीवी इफ शी इज हैविंग पॉजिटिव एंड इफ शी डिलीवरिंग अ चाइल्ड, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, इट इज अ नेचुरल, a child will swallow a vaginal fluid, and that vaginal fluid, if it is having HPV infection, the baby will develop laryngeal papillomatis, मतलब जो अपना स्वर पेटी है वहां मसे हो जाते हैं। So that is all because of HPV, and this all thing is prevented. Hence we say that before a girl get active sexually, before she becomes mother, you give her vaccine. That vaccine not only prevent her from cancer but her future child also. So this is the importance of vaccine. So vaccine किसको देना चाहिए? It is licensed world over for the age of 9 to 45 years. इंडिया में 9 to 26 years तक है। एंड आइडियल टारगेट एज ग्रुप इज 9 to 15, बिकॉज हम चाहते हैं कि जितनी भी यंग गर्ल्स को है पहले वैक्सीनेट करे। सो एंड 15 to 26 कैचअप वैक्सीनेशन, adult vaccination is optional. So these are the special guidelines, किसको वैक्सीन क्या सिचुएशन में दे सकते हैं। तो इट कैन बी गिवन विथ अदर वैक्सीन ऑल्सो। जैसे अगर आप अपने पीडियाट्रिशियन इन्फ्लुएंजा के वैक्सीन के साथ दे सकते हो ये वैक्सीन, तो उसके एक ही टाइम में दोनों वैक्सीन लग सकते हैं। लेकिन सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट को यू हैव टू गिव 3 doses ऑफ HPV वैक्सीन। एंड वीमेन हु आर हैविंग एचपीवी इन्फेक्शन, उसकी ट्रीटमेंट हुए है वॉट से, तो ये सबको वैक्सीन दे सकते हैं। और ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी ये वैक्सीन नहीं लेना चाहिए। अगर आपने 1 डोज वैक्सीन लिया और बाद में शी बिकेम प्रेग्नेंट, लड़की प्रेग्नेंट हो गई, तो इसका मतलब अभी टर्मिनेशन के अबॉर्शन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। वंस शी कंप्लीट हर चाइल्ड बेयरिंग और उसका बेबी बॉर्न हो जाए, उसके बाद शी कैन कंप्लीट हर टेस्टिंग, गिव हर रिमेनिंग डोजेस ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन। और HIV पॉजिटिव गर्ल्स हो तो उनको 3 डोज ऑफ वैक्सीन लेना चाहिए। क्यों जल्दी छोटी उम्र में वैक्सीन देना चाहिए, किस लिए? क्योंकि देखा गया है कि इफ वी आर गिविंग वैक्सीनेशन एट ए यंगर एज ग्रुप, एडोलेसेंट ग्रुप, देयर इज मैक्सिमम इम्यूनिटी विच इज डेवलपिंग एंड द प्रोटेक्शन इज रियली अप टू 90%. And before exposure to sexual activity, they give lots of good protection, and that is the reason why you should vaccinate younger the better. तो Till today, there are 3 doses of vaccine given at 6 months apart. First dose at 0 month, second dose after 2 months, and 3 dose after 4 months. These have nearly changed, which I'll be discussing in my next slides. HPV vaccination before HPV exposure can give better protection and effectiveness. The efficacy is it will prevent cervical cancer, it will prevent vaginal cancer, it will prevent warts. These are warts which are occurring because of HPV, and this is 100% only prevented by HPV. Now coming to gender neutral approach. ये gender neutral मतलब बॉयज को क्यों वैक्सीन लगाना चाहिए? दिस इज स्टिल नॉट स्टार्टेड इन इंडिया, but government has approved HPV vaccine up to 15 years for boys, because a virus so it doesn't differentiate between gender. So males also get HPV infection, so males can be even vaccinated. And males के लिए cervical cancer screening फीमेल के लिए है, लेकिन for men we don't have anything. So uh, they also have HPV infection, so it is important to males to be vaccinated. It will prevent anal cancer, it will prevent AIN, it will prevent warts. So these are the warts type seen on the males, and that is only prevented by HPV. So if you see, we have at present 2 types of HPV vaccine, that is quadrivalent. मैंने जो वायरस बताए थे 16, 18, 6 and 11, so that is called quadrivalent vaccine. And there is nanovalent vaccine which cover more. So it has 9 type of vaccine virus coverage, so it has more coverage and more efficacy. There are 3 types of vaccine available in India. One is Gardasil 4, which government has now made free for 14 years girl. Gardasil 9, that is HPV 9, which is having 9 virus. And we have an Indian vaccine, that is Cervarix, which is what we can say, quadrivalent vaccine, and it is approved up to the age of 26. वैक्सीन डोजेज अभी ये नया क्या है? तो नया ये है कि 9 to 14 1 dose is enough. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड विद अ कैचअप वैक्सीन कि जो 14 इयर्स की लड़की है 15 इयर्स हो जाए उसके पहले सबको वैक्सीन दे दो. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई 14 इयर्स गर्ल वैक्सीन हैव स्टार्टेड. And from 14 to 15 to 21 or 22, 2 doses are enough, which we used to give 3 doses. And from 22 to 45, 3 doses are required for vaccination. So this is the vaccine schedule which is now being followed and which has changed. And most of the countries are now moving for 1 dose vaccination because it is very, very effective. So yes, zero. These are the different type of papers or different type of article. They are saying the antibody response is very, very good with single dose vaccination also. So it is very good कि एक dose लेने का, that is more easy instead of giving 2 or second 3 dose. Is vaccine safe? It is 100% safe. If you see 15 years से ये वैक्सीन ट्रायल चल रहा है, around 150 million doses of vaccine are given everywhere. Okay, there are mild side effects like redness होता है, pain होता है, swelling, headache or fever, but it is very, very less. Till in my private practice, I have given more than 300 vaccination, not only to the girls, but women and men and boys. Hardly I have seen any complication or any what we can say adverse event because of vaccine. Vaccine is effective, can help to reduce not only cancer but HPV related genital warts and HPV related cancer by 80 to 90%. Now challenges of vaccine, क्या challenges हमको already पता है कि मीडिया में कैसा चल रहा है, infertility हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. Who are these people to tell who is infertility? Have they done the study? उनके पास क्या डेटा है? कुछ भी बोलते लेते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, बोल देते हैं कि ऐसा होगा. डू यू हैव द डेटा? डू यू हैव द स्टडीज? ये पागल थोड़ी है गवर्नमेंट, इतना रिसर्च हुआ है. एचपीवी आज का थोड़ी है, 2009 से वैक्सीनेशन चल रहा है, 20 इयर्स का ट्रायल है, 20 इयर्स का है. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज इन वर्ज ऑफ एलिमिनेशन बिकॉज 15 साल से वहां गर्ल्स बॉयज को कंपल्सरी वैक्सीनेशन टेस्टिंग चल रहा है. तो ये लोग पागल थोड़ी ना है कि वैक्सीन दे. सो पीपल ऐसे नेगेटिव होता है, वी शुड नॉट लिसन टू देम एंड वी शुड look into the science. So low awareness, fear of side effect is the most bad thing of the vaccine. Stigma कि sexually transmitted है, no. कॉस्ट ऑफ वैक्सीन, अभी तो वो कॉस्ट निकल गया, गवर्नमेंट ने फ्री कर दिया है. लैक ऑफ फिजिशियन रिकमेंडेशन, इवन लैक ऑफ रिसर्च एंड गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट फॉर वैक्सीन, वो तो अभी ना, दिस बैरियर ऑल्सो हैज गॉन फ्रॉम इंडिया. सो रिपल इफेक्ट, इंडिया में सर्वाइकल कैंसर को टारगेट करके वी वांट टू एलिमिनेट सर्वाइकल कैंसर. सो वी हैव टू हैव दिस वैक्सीन एंड इट विल not only prevent cervical cancer but many other cancer related to HPV. And for the women, 45 एज में women का डेथ होता है, तो she is a such a important person in a society. We don't want to lose her, so it is very important. And you see the cervical cancer of 24 years of a woman's life is lost. अब सोचो कि one woman at the, she may be living for 75 years because of the cervical cancer, her lifespan become 45, she lost 24. So 24 years, not only her expertise, her family, everything is lost because of a cancer. तो ये वे सब लोग जानते हैं. वी हैव सीन हिम lots of during COVID time, Mr. Tedros, and he said this is a historic moment for global health. It marks first time the world has committed to eliminating cervical cancer. And how can we do that? That is vision of world free of cervical cancer, that is by doing 90% of vaccination by age of 15, 70% screening and 90% treatment. अभी इंडिया में देखो तो वैक्सीनेशन ओनली 1% है, स्क्रीनिंग तो ओनली 5 to 7%, timely treatment तो only 10%, 20%. So it is a huge target for us. Government alone cannot do it. We have a huge population, बहुत सारा population है, infrastructure है, सब चाहिए, and we have to join hands with our government to fight this cervical cancer, to defeat the cervical cancer. The way the vaccination is going on, it will take 100 years if we don't follow this target. So we have to move forward achieving this target for early elimination of cervical cancer. 4th March is celebrated as HPV Day, and it is said we have one less worry because for HPV we have a vaccine. So if you see, it is 100% effective, 14-year study, and so many countries have given, almost 140 countries have approved HPV. Now India also have approved HPV vaccination, and this was a very landmark day in our country on 28th February, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Our Prime Minister launched the National HPV campaign against cervical cancer, and this is a really huge thing for us. In my mission and endeavor, my company endeavor is Antara Wellness Initiative, bringing awareness of HPV, making testing, making people do HPV testing and HPV vaccination. This is the drive which has government has taken, HPV vaccination drive for girls age 14 soon. And this is my first HPV clinic, and I have a latest colposcopy, that is instrument where we treat pre-invasive conditions of cervix. This is the colposcopy clinic and vulva clinic, and this is the latest model. I have EI based colposcope, and I did the first HPV testing in Gujarat, and this is how the testing is done. This is only for the knowledge of that certain things like these are available. And this is my Bangkok trip in 2019. This is Mr. Lee, and he said that he is closing the HPV, what we can say, vaccination trial for 14 years because he was so much happy. And that moment gave me a very big pleasure, and I was during that moment present in Bangkok to visualize or to see such a moment in my life, that this vaccine is so effective that we are now, they had followed the trial for 14 years and now they have closed the trial, and that was a historic moment, and I was present there. And these were all the group of doctors from India. And this is Eurogin when I went for HPV conclave. वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारा रिसर्च हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, एंड इन इंडिया वी आर रियली रियली बैक एंड वी हैव टू डू समथिंग. For every 100 women dying of cervical cancer, 14 children die before they reach 10 years of age, and hence we should not, we should to change this reality. Let us save our women, let ourselves get tested for cervical cancer, and we can end cervical cancer by getting informed, getting screened and getting vaccinated. So this is a slide which shows everything. You have to get yourself vaccinated, protect your girls from not only cervical cancer but many of the other things. We have to run for ourselves for cervical cancer awareness. Stop, get yourself vaccinated, get screened, and boys, don't forget yourself. You please vaccinate boys also. So my take home message for every girls and boys, HPV vaccination is must. Please participate in the government free HPV vaccination drive for prevention of cervical girls for young girls, which is starting for 14 years. This is what we can say a type of project they will be doing for 3 months, and later on they will do it for 9 to 14 years free for everyone. So this is मैं हाथ जोड़ के सबको विनंती करती हूँ, and I am telling, please participate. Don't listen to gossip, don't get misguided, and please participate for HPV prevention drive which government has induced. Thank you very much.
Dr. Anna Madam, thank you so very much for sharing your experience, knowledge, wisdom, and everything. And the details you have shared, it is quite commendable and dependable. Friends, those who have joined later on, today we are having a three different celebration. Number one, Happy International Women's Day. That is number one. Number two, we at Indian Cancer Society Delhi, we have reached a new milestone. This is our 50th live webinar, and we have Dr. Anjana Madam here today, to be a part of this fascinating celebration. Now, friends, let me tell you few things based on the talk delivered by Dr. Anna Madam. Say, we are simply talking, reading on social media, watching posters about Beti Bachao, ये वो बराबर है, no doubt about it. But we are bringing the best of the best expert to our live webinar, and they are sharing their best possible knowledge, expertise, experience, and everything. I want everyone who is present today. Let's not have a celebration of every internal women's day once, but it should be 365 days, and this is simply and only possible by implementing and spreading the word about HPV vaccine for the girls, because if they will survive, then we will be able to effectively celebrate the every women's day every single day. So friends, आज आप लोगों ने जो कुछ सुना समझा उसको ठीक तरह से आप समझ के, I mean, I would like everyone, आज there are more than 100 people on Zoom, and many other on YouTube. आप सब लोग at least try to spread this word about HPV vaccination to at least 100 individuals, everyone, so that we can spread word, we can save the girls' lives, and then we can save the lives of the women who would be dying at the age of 45. So I mean, we cannot be a doctor, but at least we can do something remarkable indirectly in saving the precious life of the women. Madam, the way in which you delivered talk, I don't think I have any question to ask you, because practically you have covered each and everything. So let me open the room for the questions from the audience. Korean snap after general whoever is willing to ask question ask them down mute and they can ask the question to Anna madam. And by the time people individuals start asking their question, Dr. Anna madam, I would like to come and see you in the next week and let's give this particular HPV vaccine a huge impact and huge campaign not in Gujarat but throughout India. Let's work together.
Yeah. डेफिनेटली सर वी हैव टू डू समथिंग क्योंकि पूरा गवर्नमेंट तो हमारी इंडियन पॉपुलेशन इफ यू थिंक ऑफ इंडियन वुमेन जैसे 400 करोड़ इंडियन वुमेन आर देयर and if you see kids I think so 20 around 20 crore girls will be there, so it's a huge population. So 14 years ठीक है government is given free, but what about more than 14 years, so those people can take vaccine. इतना महंगा भी नहीं है, इट्स अराउंड 4,000 रुपीज। अगर गाड़ा से वो 9 देखो तो 9,000, वो 10,000 है, अगर इंडिया वाली वैकेशन है 2,000 है। सो इट्स अफोर्डेबल रेंज फॉर मिडिल क्लास पीपल, दे कैन टेक इट। व्हाट इज योर
Uh,
कमेंट्स?
Madam, say whether it is 4,000, 9,000, or 19,000, whatever, this price is nothing as against the cost of our own life.
यस, 100%।
चेंजेस है ज़्यादा तो कोई
कुछ नहीं
कहते हैं
इम्पोर्टेंट
अपनी
है।
or I mean once you get diagnosed with such problems they said you'll be spending legs and legs, so why not to prevent and you said in the beginning that prevention is better than cure, so why not to opt for this? और हम लोग I mean हम being Indian हमारी expertise intelligence दुनिया भर में लोग जानते हैं, so why don't we opt it for ourselves for saving the precious human lives?
100%, our life
Yeah,
is more important।
exactly. And then suffering जिन लोगों को कैंसर हुआ है उन लोगों की सफरिंग क्या है, अगर आप वो देखोगे ना तो ये 4,000 9,000 10,000 में कुछ
नो,
नहीं लगेगा।
कुछ नहीं लगता है, कुछ नहीं लगता। यू आर एब्सोल्युटली सर ट्रू, एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू। I just calculated that if you go for routine once testing और screening, उसका खर्चा देखो तो अराउंड वन टाइम है, हाफ दिन आपको छुट्टी लेनी पड़ेगी इफ यू आर अ वर्किंग वुमेन, and it will cost around treatment सब होके 20-30,000, but if you are suffering from cancer it is 5 months treatment, around 5 to 10 lakh rupees, 4 to 5 lakh rupees खर्चा होता है, then after rehabilitation। और ये तो ठीक है एज अ पर्सन इफ यू आर सफरिंग, बट व्हाट अबाउट द फैमिली पीपल, फैमिली डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, एवरीथिंग इट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग। सो
And on top of that the loss of the person from the family, loss of either wife or mother or sister or grandma, जिन लोगों को ये लॉस होता है ना उन्हीं को पता होता है कि what exactly this loss means, so let's work on it. Priya, jara will you please read out the questions if there is any, because I cannot read it.
Ma'am, someone has asked on YouTube that which country present testing best cancer medication?
पार्डन, आई कुडंट गेट यू।
Which country present testing best cancer medication?
टिल आई कुडंट गेट यू। ब्रेस्ट कैंसर?
No, no, no. Someone has asked which country present testing best cancer medication.
Best
Yes, someone has asked this question on
बेस्ट
YouTube.
कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट?
Medication.
बेस्ट
Medication.
मेडिकेशन फॉर
Yes.
कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट?
Yes.
विच कंट्री?
Yes.
See, all country the cancer treatment best is everywhere, It depends on which country. Developed countries have technology, they have a different type of system. India also, we are evolving. Even best of best treatments are done in India also. We have done the latest in the metropolitan city. We have the latest technology, robotics, everything. In India also things are evolving. So treatment wise, if you see, we are also not back. But in developed countries, they have more advanced and there is a limited population. So they are in the that way we can say we cannot say a best of treatments. Even best of treatments we are giving in India also. So it is.
Madam, let
Hmm.
me,
Yes, sir,
madam,
you can answer that.
let
I
me
think so.
answer. Yeah, let me answer that. Sir, आपने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है, let us take into consideration the expertise of the oncologist or the expertise of the cancer specialist. आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाइए, इंडिया के जो oncologist को जो पर डे ओपीडी में एक्सपोजर मिलता है, पूरे वर्ल्ड में कई जगह पे नहीं मिलता है. And let's not forget that experience always count. Experiences are always counted. आपने 5 सर्जरी की है, 500 की है, 5000 की है, 10,000 की है, that makes difference. So and another thing, when you are living in India, let's focus on India instead of focusing somewhere else, because and don't forget one thing, the cost of treatment, whatever is available in India, is far more less than anywhere in the world. And one more thing, आप यूके में जाए, यूएसए में जाइए ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, you will be in the queue. You may not be spending money, but you will be in the queue. And by the time your turn comes for the treatment, etc., you would be from stage 1 to stage 2 to stage 4, or maybe there are not good chances you may not survive either. So let's focus on India. हमको इंडिया में बेटी बचाओ का काम करना है, लोगों को बचाओ का काम करना है. So let's not talk about which country is giving the best. And one more thing, I am having acquaintances with more than 500 oncologists across India, and I am seeing them as a topmost oncologists with a real humanity and empathy. So, I mean, my children's request is, let's focus on India and not focus on what kind of best treatment available in the world. Let's focus on India. Thank you.
This Gardasil 4 in US, if you convert that is 22,000. Sir. India maybe are getting in 9,000 because you are middle
So,
income. So in US, if you go, then it is 22,000. तो वहां से लोग आते, they take vaccine here.
and cannot we have to consider, yeah, India से US में जाने का आने का, वहाँ भी that ticket part is to be taken into consideration, staying part is to be considered. So कितना खर्चा हो जाएगा. So let's focus on our own country,
Country, yes.
and trying somewhere else. Or हमारा main object है saving the lives of our young girls and women. आज 45 में अगर कोई एक्सपायर हो जाता है, जिनका 25 साल की लाइफ चली जाए, ऐसा कैसे चल सकता है. वी शुड नॉट डू इट, एंड रादर वी शुड फोकस on spreading the word.
Ma'am, Priya
प्रिया, बाकी के
Parmar ma'am
क्वेश्चन देख लो
has,
क्या है जरा.
There is one question that
yes.
say, will single dose be effective as 3 doses? Now the government is vaccinating 14 years. Will 10, 12, 13 will have to wait? See, there are two questions. Will single dose effective? See, the vaccine, HPV vaccine, the immunity is so high. It is 100 times higher than the natural immunity. HPV infection hota hai, to 80% it is cleared by their own immunity. So the HPV vaccine we are giving, it is developing 100 times more immunity than your own immunity. 100 times more. So they have seen, they have done a study. They have ये study भी हुआ है इंडिया में कि 1 dose, 2 dose, 3 dose. So you have seen the antibody titer level hai. Even with one dose it was similar. Even with two dose it was similar. Even with three dose it was similar. So 9 to 14 they started with two dose. Now again they have seen that even with one dose, if you are having enough antibody, then what is the reason of giving second dose? So that one dose has come. So it is not inferior. 9 to 14, 13 और जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि what about 9, 11, 12, द सेकेंड फेज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट का जो आएगा दैट विल बी 9 to 14। अभी क्या है, इंडिया में पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा है, इतना वैक्सीन भी प्रोक्योर करना पड़ता है। वंस अ गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग फ्री तो ऐसा नहीं हो जाना ना कि वैक्सीन खत्म हो गई, कि आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गई। सो गवर्नमेंट हैज टू डू लॉट्स ऑफ वर्क। सो एट प्रेजेंट द गवर्नमेंट ने 14 ईयर इसलिए टारगेट किया कि वो 14 ईयर लड़की नेक्स्ट ईयर 15 ईयर होने आने वाली, तो अगर वो मिस ना हो जाए। सो दिस ईयर दे आर टारगेटिंग 14 ईयर। 9 ईयर 11 12 वो लड़कियां तो अगर छोटी 5 साल है उनके पास वैक्सीन लेने के, आजकल आज की जो 14 ईयर लड़की वो नेक्स्ट ईयर 15 ईयर हो जाएगी, तो वो 9 to 14 के बेल्ट पे बाहर चली जाएगी। इसलिए गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड अ रूल दैट अभी 14 ईयर जो कैचअप वैक्सीनेशन है 14 ईयर लड़की को दे दो, कि अगले साल से जब गवर्नमेंट प्रोटोकॉल बनाएंगी 9 to 14 ईयर्स, तो ये 14 ईयर जो लड़कियां है वो 15 ईयर ना हो जाए और वो बाहर ना आ जाए फ्री के बाद। सो दिस इज द थिंग, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स इट विल बी 9 to 14, सो ऑल द गर्ल्स विल बी कवर्ड। ऐसा गवर्नमेंट का विजन है।
Thank you,
आई थिंक
madam. That is one question. I mean, I received on WhatsApp. Can a person take HPV vaccine after allogenic VMT? Uh, I mean, VMT कंप्लीट हुए 1 साल हो गए, so can that person take vaccine, HPV vaccine after allogenic VMT?
bone marrow transplant, okay, see bone marrow transplant,
Yeah,
bone marrow transplantation, फिर kidney reception, ये सब people can take vaccination but they have to be in remission। मतलब आपको जो बोन मैरो आप ट्रांसप्लांट किए तो यू हैव हैविंग सम टाइप ऑफ कैंसर और ब्लड कैंसर है, उसके लिए आपने ये ट्रीटमेंट लिया है। आफ्टर ट्रीटमेंट 2 इयर्स रेमिशन होना चाहिए, आफ्टर दैट यू कैन टेक वैक्सीन। वैक्सीन का मेन कंट्रोवर्सी मतलब किसको कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन, किसको नहीं लेना चाहिए, तो एनी पर्सन हैविंग एलर्जी। देर वर 2 3 पेशेंट्स आए जिसको एलर्जी है, यू नो एट देम उनको मुझे ड्रग एलर्जी, तो ऐसे लोगों को वैक्सीन नहीं लेना चाहिए। दैट इज नॉट इंडिकेटेड फॉर, दैट इज द मेन इंडिकेशन के कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन बोलते हैं कि एलर्जी हो तो वी डोंट गिव वैक्सीन। सिंगल और
uh,
3 डोज इफ, एंड फॉर सच
yeah.
टाइप ट्रांसप्लांट पेशेंट्स, ये सब पेशेंट्स के लिए आई थिंक सो यू हैव टू टेक 3 डोजेस, बिकॉज देर इज सर्टन थिंग happened in your body which is targeting your immunity will be low। तो जैसे HIV है, रीनल ट्रांसप्लांट है, ये सब के लिए वी हैव टू टेक 3 डोजेस ऑफ वैक्सीन।
Thank you. इसलिए अगला वाला क्वेश्चन जरा मैडम जब वो जरा व्हाट शेड्यूल विल बी वो जरा पूछ के बता दीजिए।
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes।
What schedule will will a young woman of 25 undertake, single or three, if she has to do OOP?
Vaccination
Yes.
above 22, it is already said that we have to take 3 doses of vaccine from 20 2 do actually this at present we are giving 3 doses, but guidelines will come that from 15 up to 15 years 1 doses are there, then probably up to 45 they may come up 2 doses, but at present the guidelines are 3 doses। I think I had
Right.
shared in my slide also, from 20 to 45 3 doses. If you want I can show you that slide also। This is the dose schedule. You can see 1 to 14 years, 1 dose, 15 to 21, 2 doses, and about 22 to 45, 3 doses.
Friends, जिनको भी जरूरत लगे, you can take the photo of this image.
Okay, you want?
No, I'm fine. Dr. Priya Parmar, where are you?
Hi, Shanik. I'm asking questions.
Yeah, please.
I've asked, and Dr. Chauhan has answered them very well.
ओके फाइन मैंने आपका नाम देखा नहीं और आपके बिना ये सेशन पूरा होने वाला नहीं है.
You're under a dark vision. पता नहीं, we couldn't see your face. Priya ma'am.
Is there any
That
other question?
that was a very
Yeah.
interesting session that you have done with us. And these are the very basic queries which people generally have. Okay, is it single dose or can we take double dose? And we are also getting a lot of queries from people that the government is saying 14 years, can my 13-year-old girl get immunized? So we thought it would be good if you could just explain.
आप मैडम you are doing your unmute. Yeah.
No, I just made it clear why government has only targeted
Yes.
14 years now to start with. Then next year it will be 9 to 14. तो जो आजकल अभी 14 ईयर लड़कियां हैं वो 15 ईयर हो जाएगी, बाद में शी विल बी आउट ऑफ दैट बेल्ट ऑफ फ्री. सो गवर्नमेंट ये सब, so they have taken a very good decision, I think.
Ma'am, someone has asked which company's HPV vaccine is better. My daughter is 32-year-old, unmarried. Which vaccine is better?
For 32 year, you have to give Gardasil, that is an MSD based vaccine, because Indian vaccine is up to the age of 26 only. And Indian vaccine, the trials are going on. They have 2 dose schedule. They don't have still the data of 1 dose schedule. It is still under trial. By 28, it may come out that 2 doses is required or 1 dose is required. Okay. So 32 above 26, you have to take Gardasil, which is only vaccine available worldwide.
Friends, we are left with another 4 minutes and then we will wrap up the today's live session. It looks like there are no more questions at all. Madam Bimora, I speak to you.
Yes.
I want to request every single individual today who is attending the today's session on Zoom or YouTube, please spread the word about HPV vaccine. Save the life of your daughter, wife, and whoever is in your family as a female member, because I mean we cannot be a doctor, but at least we can play a remarkable role in saving the precious lives of the women community, or I mean our government slogan and activity of Beti Bachao. So let's work on it effectively, spread the word, and अगर ये काम हम spread, if we can spread the word, आज का सेशन है ना हमारा जो सेलिब्रेशन का है वो ऑटोमेटिक है ना थ्रू आउट द ईयर सेलिब्रेशन हो जाएगा. Dr. Madam, thank you so very much for sharing everything flawlessly with the presentation in English and in the mixed language. And I'm sure that everyone who is watching this on Zoom or YouTube, they could understand everything precisely and will help us I will help our government of India to spread word about once again. And thank you so much for your valuable time. And we look forward to invite you once again for some other reason or for some other talks as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was a pleasant and it was a very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And friends, thank you very much for joining us today and giving us and Dr. Rajkiran sir, thank you so much for being a collaborator of our today's session. Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Bye.